Let's talk about Nvidia. The stock has been on an absolute tear, printing money for investors like it's a cheat code. But recently, it hit a bit of a rough patch, a dip. And if you've been watching the market, you know what that means: opportunity. Nvidia's slip might be short-term, but it also opens the door for other stocks to shine. So today, we're diving into 5 stocks that could explode while Nvidia takes a breather. These aren't just random picks, we're talking about companies positioned for serious growth in AI, semiconductors, and tech. So if you're looking for the next big thing after Nvidia, buckle up, this is going to be good. Bottom line, don't sleep on AMD. It may have started as the underdog, but it's proving that it has the firepower to go toe-to-toe with Nvidia, and even steal some of its market share along the way. Let's kick things off with AMD, Nvidia's biggest rival in the semiconductor world. For years, AMD has played the role of the little brother to Nvidia, particularly in the graphics card market. But if you've been paying attention, you know that AMD isn't just sitting on the sidelines anymore. They've been making serious moves in AI computing, cloud processing, and high-performance gaming chips, and they're starting to give Nvidia a real fight. One of AMD's biggest plays in the AI space is its MI300 series AI chips. These processors are designed to compete directly with Nvidia's powerful AI chips, and they're already gaining traction. Major companies like Microsoft and Meta, two of the biggest names in cloud computing and AI, are already integrating AMD's AI chips into their infrastructure. That's not just a small win, that's a massive vote of confidence that AMD can hold its own in the AI arms race. Beyond AI, AMD is also dominating in the CPU market. Their EPYC server processors have been chipping away at Intel's dominance in data centers, giving AMD yet another strong growth avenue. And let's not forget gaming. AMD's Ryzen processors and Radeon GPUs are still major players in the PC and console gaming world, with their chips powering everything from high-end gaming PCs to the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. But here's where things get really interesting. Nvidia's recent dominance has actually worked in AMD's favor. While Nvidia has been the clear AI leader, its explosive stock growth has made it one of the most expensive stocks in the entire market. That means some investors might start looking elsewhere for AI exposure, and AMD, still undervalued relative to Nvidia, could be a prime beneficiary. If Nvidia's dip shakes up the market, investors looking for a cheaper AI alternative with strong growth potential might turn to AMD. And once AMD fully capitalizes on the AI boom, we could see significant upside in the stock. Bottom line, don't sleep on AMD. It may have started as the underdog, but it's proving that it has the firepower to go toe-to-toe with Nvidia, and even steal some of its market share along the way. Next up, let's talk about Broadcom, a stock that doesn't always get the same hype as Nvidia or AMD, but is quietly one of the most powerful players in the tech world. While most people focus on flashy AI chip companies, Broadcom is working behind the scenes, supplying the essential tech that powers AI infrastructure, cloud computing, and high-speed networking. So why should investors be paying attention to Broadcom right now? 2 big reasons. They're a key supplier in AI infrastructure. While Nvidia gets all the attention for its AI chips, AI computing requires much more than just GPUs. Broadcom provides the critical networking, cloud computing, and semiconductor solutions that keep data centers running. In other words, AI can't function without Broadcom's tech. Their acquisition of VMware is a game changer. Broadcom recently completed a massive $69 billion acquisition of VMware, one of the biggest names in cloud computing and virtualization software. This deal gives Broadcom an even bigger foothold in the AI and cloud industry, expanding its reach beyond hardware into software and enterprise solutions. The market hasn't fully priced in the long-term potential of this acquisition yet, meaning there could be a lot of hidden upside in Broadcom's stock. But here's the thing, Broadcom isn't just about AI. This company is deeply involved in multiple high-growth industries, including 5G technology, cybersecurity, and enterprise networking. That kind of diversification makes Broadcom a much more stable play compared to the more volatile, pure AI stocks. While Nvidia and AMD are more focused on AI chips, Broadcom spreads its risk across multiple booming sectors, making it a safer but still high upside investment. Now, let's connect this back to Nvidia's recent dip. If investors get nervous about Nvidia's high valuation or potential market corrections, they'll likely start looking for AI-related stocks with lower risk but strong long-term growth. And guess what? Broadcom fits that description perfectly. So while Broadcom might not always be in the spotlight, it's a powerhouse that's positioned to benefit from the AI revolution in a big way. If you're looking for an AI play that's not as overhyped but still has massive potential, keep your eyes on Broadcom. Supermicro works closely with Nvidia. In fact, they supply the high-performance servers that run Nvidia's powerful AI chips. So while Nvidia's stock might be dipping, the demand for AI computing infrastructure isn't slowing down anytime soon. Every AI model, from ChatGPT to self-driving cars, needs massive computing power, and Supermicro is one of the biggest names making that happen. Now here's the part that Wall Street isn't fully pricing in yet. While Supermicro's stock has already been on an impressive run, many analysts still underestimate its long-term growth potential. The AI boom is in full swing, and with companies pouring billions into AI research, cloud computing, and machine learning, the demand for AI-optimized servers is only going to increase. That means Supermicro could be on the verge of even more explosive growth. The beauty of this stock is that it's positioned to win no matter what happens with Nvidia. If Nvidia's stock bounces back, Supermicro rides the wave because their AI servers will continue to be in high demand. But even if investors start looking for AI opportunities outside of Nvidia, Supermicro still benefits because the need for AI hardware isn't going anywhere. That's what makes this stock so exciting. It's an AI infrastructure play that flies under the radar, but its potential upside could be massive. While everyone is chasing AI chip makers, Supermicro is quietly building the backbone of AI computing, and that could make it one of the biggest winners in the AI revolution. ASML is the only company in the world that makes extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, the ultra-sophisticated tools needed to produce cutting-edge semiconductors. Without ASML, companies like Nvidia, AMD, Intel, and even Apple wouldn't even be able to manufacture their most advanced chips. That's how important they are. The AI revolution is driving unprecedented demand for high-performance chips, and that means ASML's technology is more valuable than ever. Every company in the AI race, whether it's for GPUs, cloud computing, or autonomous vehicles, needs ASML's machines to stay competitive. And here's the kicker. There's no real competition in this space. ASML has an insane technology moat, making it virtually untouchable. Now, why is this stock so interesting after Nvidia's dip? Because when investors start rotating out of Nvidia, they'll be looking for other AI-related plays that still have strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential. ASML is a perfect landing spot. AI, cloud computing, and semiconductor demand aren't slowing down, and ASML is right at the center of it all. So while chipmakers fight for dominance in AI, ASML sits back and profits no matter who wins. Because at the end of the day, everyone needs their machines to stay in the game. That's what makes ASML a must-watch stock in this AI-powered future. Palantir specializes in turning massive amounts of raw data into actionable insights, and that's exactly what today's companies and governments need. Whether it's national security, healthcare, finance, or logistics, Palantir's AI-powered software helps organizations make smarter decisions faster. And here's what makes it even more exciting. Palantir isn't just landing deals with small startups. They've got major contracts with the US government, defense agencies, and Fortune 500 companies. But here's the best part. Palantir is profitable now. Unlike many AI-focused companies that are still burning through cash, Palantir has figured out how to turn AI into real revenue. That's a game changer in a market where investors are starting to prioritize sustainability over hype. So what happens if Nvidia's dip causes investors to look beyond AI hardware and into the software side of the AI revolution? Palantir could be one of the biggest beneficiaries. AI isn't just about GPUs and servers, it's about making sense of the data those machines generate, and that's exactly what Palantir excels at. With AI adoption accelerating across industries, Palantir is perfectly positioned to ride the next wave of AI-driven growth. If you're looking for a stock that isn't just following the AI trend, but actively shaping its future, this is the one to keep on your radar. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, press the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts in the comments section.